baseball star Ken Sato secretly inherits the power of Ultraman from his father.
在东京，棒球明星佐藤健继承了父亲的超人力霸王力量。
In Tokyo, baseball star Ken Sato secretly inherits the power of Ultraman from his father. He wants a normal life, but strange kaiju attacks force him to protect the city.
他原本只想过平凡生活，但连串怪兽袭击迫使他守护城市。
He wants a normal life, but strange kaiju attacks force him to protect the city. During one battle, Ken discovers a glowing egg and unknowingly takes it home.
一次战斗中，剑发现一颗会发光的蛋，并不知情地带回家。
During one battle, Ken discovers a glowing egg and unknowingly takes it home. The egg hatches into a baby kaiju named Emi, who treats Ken as her parent.
蛋里孵出一只小怪兽艾米，并把剑当成父亲。
The egg hatches into a baby kaiju named Emi, who treats Ken as her parent. Ken struggles to balance training, baseball games, and caring for Emi.
剑必须在棒球比赛、战斗训练与照顾艾米之间取得平衡。
Ken struggles to balance training, baseball games, and caring for Emi. The Kaiju Defense Force, led by Dr. Onda, wants to capture Emi to find Kaiju Island.
由恩田博士领导的怪兽防卫队企图抓住艾米，以找出怪兽岛的位置。
The Kaiju Defense Force, led by Dr. Onda, wants to capture Emi to find Kaiju Island. Ken refuses to hand Emi over, realizing he must truly act as a father and hero.
剑拒绝交出艾米，并意识到自己必须真正成为父亲与英雄。
Ken refuses to hand Emi over, realizing he must truly act as a father and hero. Meanwhile, Ken and his own father reconcile, understanding the sacrifices of being Ultraman.
同时，剑与父亲和解，理解成为超人力霸王的牺牲。
Meanwhile, Ken and his own father reconcile, understanding the sacrifices of being Ultraman. Dr. Onda launches a massive attack using a mechanized kaiju called Gigantron.
恩田博士启动巨大的机械怪兽及钢创发动全面攻击。
Dr. Onda launches a massive attack using a mechanized kaiju called Gigantron. Ken and his father fight together, combining strength and wisdom to protect Emi and the city.
剑与父亲并肩作战，以力量与智慧守护艾米与城市。
Ken and his father fight together, combining strength and wisdom to protect Emi and the city. Emi grows and releases her own bright energy, helping Ultraman defeat Gigantron.
艾米成长并释放光芒，协助超人力霸王击败吉冈创。
Emi grows and releases her own bright energy, helping Ultraman defeat Gigantron. The Kaiju Defense Force's plan collapses, and peace slowly returns to Tokyo.
怪兽防卫队的阴谋瓦解，东京逐渐恢复平静。
The Kaiju Defense Force's plan collapses, and peace slowly returns to Tokyo. Ken now embraces life as both a caring father to Emi and a true Ultraman.
剑从此同时成为艾米的好父亲与真正的超人力霸王。
Ken now embraces life as both a caring father to Emi and a true Ultraman. Their bond proves that love and responsibility are the greatest powers of all.
他与艾米的羁绊证明，爱与责任才是最强大的力量。
Their bond proves that love and responsibility are the greatest powers of all.